Now coming to talk, then statement 1, aging of human beings are irreversible change. And statement 2, the change in which cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change. Then another statement 1, the formation of curd from milk is a desirable change. Then statement 2, the curd is more easily digestible as compared to milk. Then statement 1, compressing a spring or pulling of rubber spring is a reversible change. Then when we put a small weight on a rubber spring by flowering of plants is a reversible change. Then some of the changes are permanent in nature. Some of the changes are permanent in nature. The next, sneezing, coughing, etc. are non-periodic changes. Then the change which do not repeat, the change which do not repeat themselves at regular intervals at time are called non-periodic changes. Then coming to that, the changes that occur again and again after a fixed interval of time are called non-periodic changes. Then on melting of butter, the change is temporary in nature and no new substance are formed. See once. Look once what we written on board. We have to write true or false to that. What are those? True or false statements. Look at first what we can say. Aging of human beings are irreversible change. While our ages are increases, our age is increases, then we never come back to our lower age. So first statement, what we can say, that is a true statement only. What is that? True statement, because it is irreversible change. Then a change in which cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change, which cannot reverse by forming the new substance. Those we can say irreversible change. Of course, true statement. What is that? True statement. And next, the formation of curd from milk. The formation of curd from milk is a desirable change. Of course, it is necessary to form curd from milk. So what we can say? True. Then the curd is more easily digestible as compared to milk. Of course, it can easily digest than milk. Compressing a spring, what we can say? Compressing a spring, pulling off rubber spring is a reversible change. After leaving that action, it forms a original shape. So, true. Then, flowering of plants is a reversible change. Is that sure? See that flowering of plants is a reversible change. Once what the flower which is came, that never comes back. Okay, after feathering, it gives new flower. So it is a false statement. Incorrect. Some of the changes are permanent in nature, not in complete permanent. So false. Sneezing, coughing, what we can say? Sneezing and coughing are non-periodic changes. Of course, these never get in a regular interval of time. So that's why it is a true statement, non-periodic. Then The change which do not repeat themselves at regular intervals of time are called non-periodic changes, which do not repeat themselves at regular interval. So it is a non-periodic changes, of course, true statement. Then the changes that occurs again and again after a fixed interval of time are called non-periodic changes. See one, it is regularly repeat, what we can regularly, the changes that occurs again and again after a fixed interval of time. Okay, what we can it is, if it repeats again interval of time, that we can say periodic changes, but what they given to you, non-periodic changes. So it is a false statement. Then on melting of butter, the change, what we can see that clearly. On melting the butter, the change is temporary, of course, in nature, and no new substance is formed, of course, no more is formed. So that's why what we can say, true statement. Okay, note on that. Let me discuss some more to talk about that. Match the following. Column 1. Two, very fast change, and B, reversible change, irreversible change, slow change. Then germination of mustard seed, germination of mustard seed, then the change cannot be reversed. Then another thing is bursting of balloon. Then bursting of sparkle. Then the change can be reversed. Yeah, look once. So which are suitable to that? Very fast change, reversible change, irreversible change, very slow change. So look carefully, which is that? Very fast change, very fast change. Look one, which is fast change, bursting of balloon. Of course, it is a very fast change. And bursting of sparkle. In crackers, we are using a sparkle to rotate by burning. So very fast change. A change can be reversed. Fast change can be reversed. So 3, 4, 5 are suitable for A. For A, what I'm saying, 1, 2, 3 are suitable. The next thing is C1, reversible change. Reversible change is a change can be reversed. So for B, what we can say, which is that 5. Then what we can, irreversible change. Irreversible change. What is that irreversible change? See that carefully. Irreversible change. Germination of mustard seed. After germination, what happens? Never get form, original form. So it is a irreversible change. A change cannot be reversed. It is a irreversible change. Bursting of balloon. Bursting of balloon is a, what we can say, irreversible change. Bursting of sparkle is also irreversible change. So that's why we can say 1, 2, then what we can say, for this is a 3, 4, 5, no? Yes, of course. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and also it is coming in the place of 4. Then D is represents, what about C1? Very slow change. Germination of mustard seed is taking maximum years, maximum months. So that's what we can say D4, 1. Okay, these are suitable options for column 1 from column 2. Note on that. Coming to that, what we can column one on heating. On heating. Ice. B. Salt solution. C. Solid wax. D. Water. Then change. So one, salt, liquid wax, steam, solid wax to form water. See one options to that: A, B, C, D. Which is suitable for that? On heating ice, what it will happen? By heating ice will form water. So what we can say for that? See here. See carefully what I am saying to you. By heating to the ice, it forms water. By continuous heating, what happens? It converts into the steam. So 5 and 3 is suitable for that. B, salt solution. On heating salt solution, what will happen? Forms a salt to get a crystallization process. So crystallization process to get salt. Solid wax. What is that? Solid wax. So solid wax, what happened? By heating the solid wax, it converts into the liquid wax. Then water. What we can talk about? By heating to the water, it converts into the steam. Note on that. Note down the top. Identify the change. Identify the change. Okay. Ice melts into water. Ice melts into water. Swinging of a pendulum. Smoking of cigarette. Then clotting of blood. Okay, and note on that. Ripening of fruits. Occurrence of earthquake. Then eruption of volcanoes. What you can say, changes of season. Change of season. Then beating of heart. Note down that and make the type of changes in that. So for those, we have to write the type of changes which are suitable for that. How many changes are suitable that we can write for each one. Number of we can write for each statement. Okay. Finish that. So keep learning for online test. Be well practiced. See you in the next class. Have a good day to you.